Hello students, welcome to the Surya TV Jobs. So today, so about we are going to discuss about the 10th standard. So majorly, most of the students are scared about the 10th board exam. So here is this video, make the students to relieve from the particular subject of social. So here, today we are talking about how to score better marks, in social studies especially. So this is our concept today. At the same time, so without reading of the textual question and answers, so how we can score better marks? So this is our target today, right? The major portion is that we are going to discuss on this topic, as well as, and also we are going to focus on majorly on the 60 marks, how we can score in the exam without reading of the textual question, right? So this video makes you clear that which part we need to be focused on it. At the same time, what kind of a content will be present in the question paper, how the question paper will going to be asked, how the question paper, how the marks will be allotted. So that we are going to discuss. This video makes you a clear picture then how to score better marks and easy way how you can score more marks. So today our topic is that. At the same time, even though then more number of students doesn't have a clear picture of the content which presents in the exam. Normally, if you see what will be present, what kind of a content will be present in the 10th exam, that we need to find out first. Then how marks will be allotted. First, if you see, we are going to see posters, right? And also we are going to see pamphlet also. At the same time, we are going to see analysis. Analysis is based on the picture, at the same time based on the table also. Then there will be a passage. So passage oriented questions can be asked in the exam, and also passage comment will be present. Comment, interpretation, analysis on it, view on it, give your opinion, this type of a questions generally will going to be asked in the exam. Along with that, we are going to see even slogans also, and at the same time map drawing will be present, at the same time map pointing will be present. So this is the major part which covers in the examination. So these are the major content. How marks will be allotted for each of it, let me see it. Now if you see the poster will going to come for 2 marks. Pamphlets also we will get it as for 2 marks. Picture analysis, which is come for 4 marks. And table will be present, table analysis for 4 marks. Passage will be for 4 marks and comment will be for 4 marks. So these are the 4 marks area which covers. Along with that, slogans will be for 2 marks. Diagram will be for Telangana map or else India map will be for 2 marks. Map pointing will be for 4 marks. If you count these marks, you will come to know that how the question paper will going to be appear in the board examination, right? So you can see very clearly here it is 8 marks. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4 it is 12, 12 plus 4 it is 16, 16 plus 4 it is 20, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now you see here 28 marks as allotted. Okay. Along with that, this is for paper 1. At the same time for paper 2 also will be the same pattern of the examination. So total here, if you see, around it will goes the number around it is 56. It means that it is very clear. This area if we are going to cover from the exam point of view, then definitely we can score 60 marks here. It means that what's wrong in that 56 are nothing but a 60, isn't it? So there is a target of us to get the more mark. So whatever 50 or 56, the number is very clear, right? Now 20 marks which is allotted by the FA marks by your teachers, and even the 20 marks which will want to be come for your question and answers, as well as the even the we are going to see the objective point of view. So total 100 marks will be allotted for this. So now the question paper pattern has been changed, right? So 1 mark has become as a 2 marks, right? Then 2 marks has become as a 4 marks. Then 4 marks has become as a 6 marks. Whatever may be the question and answers, the number of marks has been changed. Nothing will go to be happens. The reason is these type of questions. Without these type of questions, there is no question paper will go to come in the exam. Marks will be 2 will become, means 1 becomes 2, then 2 becomes 4, then 4 becomes 6. Whatever the marks has changed. But this area, without this area, there is no question paper will go to be come. So regarding each of the topic will be discussed very clearly in the coming videos. At the same time, how to write the answer also will be discussed in the coming videos. So thanks for watching Surya TV Jobs.